Hey YouTubers, this is Beverly Fells Jones, the Silver Fox of Consciousness, and I'm coming to you today to give you an update on my YouTube channel. I haven't been out there. I haven't been uploading any videos. Last year I bought a new computer and I went to add a new drive that I was downloading all my videos from my old computer that was so full it wouldn't handle any. And when I brought it over to my new computer, something happened and it messed up the directory or something, and I couldn't get to the videos. They're out there. It says it's full, but I can't get to it. And I got really depressed and upset and just, I wasn't happy. So I decided to say, okay, let me start all over again. I still haven't taken that hard drive in to see if they can recover the files because everybody tells me it's expensive. What I did realize that a lot of the videos that I'd made on my phone were uploaded to my Google Drive. So I had part of my videos, but some of my videos were done using the computer itself and Cyberlink and just a number of things. And I was frustrated. And so I stopped. I stopped a lot of things. I stopped doing my podcast. I stopped doing, just a number of things. Well, over the last few months, I got my act together somewhat. I've been doing recording of videos and things, but again, they need editing, and I know a lot of you who watch YouTube a lot understand this whole concept of editing, and it can get really challenging. That's what I'll call it, just challenging to do that. And so I've got cooking videos, I've got travel videos, I've got just a few. There's been a few that were updated that were for my Think and Grow Rich. So for those of you who are just stopping by, let me introduce myself again. I'm Beverly Fells Jones, the Silver Fox of Consciousness, and I am, let's call myself a hypnotist coach. Hypnosis is part of my tool bag that I have, but I talk a lot about how your mind works and your mindset. But I also share with you when I'm gardening or cooking, or might even bring in some sewing soon, but just different things in my life that I think that would be interesting to you. Therefore, the beginning of my videos always start with eclectic alchemy, because this is an eclectic mix of conversations. Here lately in my bubble has been a lot of videos popping up on narcissism. And it's like, oh my goodness, this is a major conversation, because I wound up dating one and didn't know what it was all about. So if you've ever felt like you needed to record your conversation because they keep telling you you didn't say that, or that's not the way it is, and you know it is, the term is called gaslighting, and I can talk a lot on that. So just kind of updating you to let you know you will be seeing videos. You will be getting some of my podcasts. I'm going to stream my podcasts, and I've got about a year of those. So I'm going to start streaming out my podcasts to you so that you'll become familiar with them and the things that I talk about and who I am. I'm going to talk about my mastermind that I'm starting again in July, which is the Think and Grow Rich Mastermind. That is a book that was written by a gentleman by the name of Napoleon Hill in 1937. It has 1937 language and examples, and what I do is bring that book to the 2019 so that you can understand that. So I'll be doing a video on that, explaining what that is. But I just want you to know that my plans are to make sure that you get something once a week maybe sometime twice a week. And it is really within my thought process that I'm going to start doing some YouTube lives just to give you some ideas of how to ramp up your life, do things that make you happy, figure out how you can change your mind to change your life, how you can manifest things into your life that you've always wanted. In the meantime, you can go to my Facebook page. It's called Commanding Your Life. You can go to my website, which is commandingyourlife.com. You can go to Spreaker.com, and it's Commanding Your Life. So everywhere out there is Commanding Your Life. Or just Google Beverly Fells Jones, and you will find where I am. I'm going to try and put down the links at the bottom here in the description for you. But welcome. Oh, there's another thing. I've been wanting to do an update on my paperback flooring for ages, and I'm going to do that too. It's been 3-4 years since I put it down, and it's still going strong. So anyway, thank you for listening, and as you have believed, let it be done to you, and it is so.